going to make some grilled shrimp. It is going to be very good, and you might be thinking that we are going to make the grill by a frying pan and something else, extra. But we are actually making with the real grill. So my mother is going to set everything. I'm going to show you the shrimp. This is the shrimp. We have to put this for a warming for some time. Until this is warm, we have to take it and cook it. So we are going to wash the shrimp, and until this melts, we are going to make the masala of the shrimp. So let's clean it. So my mother is going to clean the shrimp. I'll show you a video that my mother cleaning the shrimp. This is paprika powder. This is fish grill powder. This is garlic paste. This is lemon juice. This is red chili flakes. This is herbs. This is parsley. Now I have to put, and this is salt. Going to wrap it in foil, and we are going to put it for 2 hours in the fridge. Until that, we are going to check on our grill. So I have wrapped it in the foil. We are going to put it in the freezer. Now we are going to look at our grill. This is charcoal, so I am going to put this. To make it fire until this coal becomes red. Heated a lot. I am going to put this on top of here. We are going to put one more. She's frying. This one is ready. It has been a little fried. You can see that. Each one in this plate. Oh, look at that. That looks so cool. I already want to eat it. There's no space for me to put it over here. Let's go inside and eat, and let's try it. Let's try it now. Really tasty, guys. So guys, it is very yummy. Must try it. So I am going to be there in every cooking video. So please like and subscribe. Hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching the video. Bye.